there's a new app for homeowners, and it's all about providing tips to make your home more wildfire resistant. Abby Wilt spoke with Boise Fire about it today, and Abby, explain what it is for us.
The first city in the country to try this out. It's a new app that uses artificial intelligence, or AI, to scan a home and identify wildfire triggers. It'll tell homeowners exactly how they can make their home safer against fire.
And then as you click on those different components, it will give you tips and tricks for mitigations.
One quick tap
So it says, okay, well now what should we do? Well, you should apply some mitigation.
could be one step closer to a fire-safe home.
So this puts that power into the homeowner's hands using their Apple device.
Boise's Assistant Fire Chief Romeo Gervais says it's through a new app,
So I think the app gives you a good idea of things you can start to do to mitigate.
one that uses AI to scan a home and then identify fire risks around that home.
So it looks at different things like, hey, this is a bush, or this is a door, this is a window. Well, all those different things have a play in wildfire. And they have a play in wildfire risk.
After it scans, it'll provide tips to boost fire resistance.
And then it provides direct feedback on what you should be concerned about.
It's about education too. It'll tell homeowners things like what kind of fences or roofs are the most fire resistant.
If we can educate, then we can reduce risks through homeowner knowledge.
Bringing a home fire assessment straight to homeowners at any time.
We have a limited number of people that can do wildfire home assessments at any given time. Now it puts it in their back pocket and lets them do it when they want to, on their own time.
Gervais says if everyone took the tips this app gave them and implemented them, it could significantly improve fire safety across the valley.
And it's to reduce that risk to the homeowners, reduce that risk to our community. And then at the end of all that, then it makes it safer for our firefighters too.
And it is a free app. Anyone can download it throughout Idaho. We'll have the link to download it on our website at ktvb.com.
Yeah, love seeing this happen for the first time. Big question, have you tried it out? Is it working pretty well?
I tried it out today. I tried it out in the studio and it was a little confused. It wasn't quite sure what to do with all the TVs and cameras.
Yeah.
But it did work. And it was really cool, the education piece, to kind of see how we could educate ourselves on wildfire risks here in Boise. So I did try it. It does work.
Awesome. Well, homeowners, look out for that.